Hi guys, welcome back to Hairology with Kellie Carroll, and today we're going to be learning a zero elevation haircut. We're going to be dividing this haircut into 5 even sections, 2 in the back and 3 across the front, 2 on the sides and 1 rectangle section in the front, in the top. So as you see, it's kind of mid-brow to mid-brow and back to the top of the apex, right where you begin your crown. Once you have this divided up, you're going to be looking at the back of the head, finding and feeling where the occipital bone would be. This allows you to place a comb on the back of the head. When the comb rounds off of the back of the head, that's where the top part of your triangle section should be. You will make this triangle section, and this will be your first section to start your guideline in your haircut that the rest of the hair will follow. So as soon as you get your triangle section made, you're going to pull the hair straight down with tight tension, and you're going to cut the desired guide that you would like. The next thing is just proceeding all the way up the back of the head. You will bring each section to you using a stationary guide. Each section comes to you so that it will eventually drop from shorter to longer hair. You keep following up the whole head until you have no more hair to cut. Then you proceed to the front. You drop your sides down, combing them tight. You're going to drag them to the center section in the nape at the back, and you're going to cut that to allow that to blend and create your angle in the front. Once you finish that, you go to the top. You release your top section, divide that into the middle, and then you pull it straight down and just trim accordingly to keep your angle in the front. Next, we move on to blow drying. You just need your blow dryer and your thermal round brush. I like to use some oil to keep the hair from being frizzy. And as you use your round brush, you are focusing on the ends because you really want these ends to look nice and beveled. Once you get the hair all the way dry, there's not a lot of volume in the top. It's only the beveling through the ends, as you can see. Place a little bit of oil in the hair, shine it up, and you're good to go. If you're interested in seeing more of these type of videos, just click like and subscribe. I always try to keep things fresh. Thanks. Have a great day.